If you see an infant who is not responsive and not breathing or not breathing normally or gasping, this infant needs CPR. As long as it is safe for you to approach the victim, do so. Tap the infant and shout to see if they respond. Have someone call emergency services and get an AED. If you're alone, do 2 minutes of CPR, then call emergency services, get an AED, and return to the victim to continue CPR. The basic steps for giving CPR to an unresponsive infant victim are doing compressions and giving breaths. Make sure the infant is on their back on a flat, hard surface. Do a visual check for normal breathing. Quickly, remove any clothing that might be in the way. Place 2 fingers in the center of the infant's chest, just below the nipple line. Push the chest down firmly about 1/3 to half the depth of the chest. Give 30 hard and fast compressions, followed by 2 breaths. Giving good breaths is very important with infants. To give breaths, place your hand on the infant's forehead so the tip of the nose points up. Keep your fingers on the infant's chest. Give 2 puff breaths, watching to see the chest rise. Resume doing compressions. Continue giving 30 compressions followed by 2 breaths, either until the infant starts moving or breathing, or until trained help takes over.